Hello, little explorers, and welcome to Kids Step by Step. Are you ready for an adventure? Today, we're diving deep into the big blue ocean and exploring the wild lands to meet some of the most amazing animals on the planet. From the tiniest fish to the biggest mammals, we've got so many incredible facts to share. Let's get started. First up, let's find Nemo. A clownfish. These bright orange fish love warm, cozy waters like the Red Sea and the Pacific Ocean. They have a super cool superpower. They can hide safely among the tentacles of a sea anemone, which would sting other fish. And get this, clownfish can actually talk to each other by making little popping and clicking sounds. How cute is that? Whoa! Look at that giant! Whales are some of the most fascinating creatures in the sea. Did you know that all toothed whales have something called a melon in their forehead? It's not a fruit. It's a special organ that helps them make sounds and find their way around. Some whales are clever hunters, using bubble nets to trap their fishy dinners. And the blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, can sing songs that travel for hundreds of miles underwater. It's like they're calling their friends from across the ocean. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Look, it's a blue tang. You might know this fish as Dory, also called the regal tang. This bright blue beauty is a favorite in colorful coral reefs. They love to nibble on algae, keeping the reefs clean and healthy. Wait, what's a duck doing here? Let's hop out of the water for a minute. When ducks clean their feathers, it's called preening. They have to keep their feathers perfect to stay waterproof. Their eggs hatch in about 28 days, and the cute little ducklings can learn to fly in just 5 to 8 weeks. And have you ever wondered why they waddle? It's because of their webbed feet, which are perfect for paddling in the water. Roar! Let's head to the savannah to meet the king of the jungle, the lion. Most lions live in Africa. A male lion can weigh up to 30 stone. That's super heavy. Their magnificent manes aren't just for show. They tell a story about the lion's age and strengths. A darker, fuller mane means he's a strong and experienced leader. Back to the ocean we go. Can you spot the master of disguise? It's the octopus. This incredible animal can change its color in the blink of an eye. It can turn gray, blue, green, pink, or even bright red when it feels angry or threatened. With 8 amazing arms, it's one of the smartest creatures in the sea. What's that gliding through the water? It's a squid. Squids have 2 long tentacles and 8 arms. Their soft bodies are protected by a special muscle called the mantle, which helps them jet through the water at super speeds. Now for a top predator of the ocean, the orca, also known as the killer whale. Don't let the name scare you. They are actually a type of dolphin. Orcas are at the very top of the food chain, which means no other animal hunts them. They are powerful and intelligent, eating fish, squid, and even seals. Let's go back on land to see the largest land animal, the elephant. Did you know elephants are the only mammals that can't jump? Their legs just aren't built for it. And here's a sweet fact. Mother elephants are pregnant for almost 22 months. That's nearly 2 years, the longest pregnancy of any land animal. Snap! Watch out for the crocodile. These reptiles are powerful hunters. They eat almost anything they can catch, from fish and birds to mammals. Their eyes and nostrils are on top of their heads, so they can hide almost their entire body underwater while they wait for their next meal. Sneaky! Slow and steady wins a race, right? That's the motto for our friend, The turtle. There are over 350 different species of turtles. They may move slowly on land, but their hard shells provide amazing protection from predators. What a strange and beautiful fish! It's a seahorse. Here's something amazing. It's the male seahorse who carries the babies. The dad carries the eggs in a special pouch until they are ready to hatch. Seahorses are also very romantic. They often stay with one partner for their whole life. Who's this little guy carrying his home on his back? It's a hermit crab. These crabs don't grow their own shells. Instead, they find and borrow empty shells from other sea creatures to protect their soft bodies. They can live for more than 30 years in the wild and often travel together in big groups, called colonies. Let's check out the sea lion. They're like the acrobats of the sea. Sea lions are super flexible and can flip their back flippers forward, allowing them to walk on land. Unlike their cousins, the seals, you can often hear them barking loudly on rocky shores. What has a head shaped like a tool? A hammerhead shark. There are 9 different kinds of hammerhead sharks. Their wide-set eyes give them fantastic vision to spot prey, and their special heads help them pin down their favorite food, stingrays, without getting stung. Back on land, look at those stripes. It's a zebra. Every single zebra has a unique pattern of stripes, just like our fingerprints. No two are exactly alike. And here's a cool trick. They can sleep while standing up, so they're always ready to run from danger. Yay! Who's that with the woolly coat? A sheep. Sheep have an incredible field of vision, almost 300 degrees. This means they can see behind themselves without even turning their heads. It's a great way to watch out for predators while they're grazing. Don't get too close to this next one. It's a pufferfish, also known as a blowfish. When it feels threatened, it swallows a huge amount of water and puffs up into a big, spiky ball, growing several times its normal size to scare away predators. Don't touch! Similar to a crocodile, but with a wider snout. It's the alligator. Alligators are powerful swimmers who live in freshwater habitats like lakes, swamps, and rivers. As carnivores, they have a strong bite and are at the top of their food chain. Look up in the trees. It's a parrot. These colorful birds are incredibly smart. Some can even learn to use tools, like using a stick to scratch an itch. Their strong, nimble toes are perfect for climbing trees and holding onto their food. Ribbit! Our last stop is with the frog. As adults, frogs don't have tails, but they do when they're little tadpoles swimming in the water. With their long, powerful back legs and webbed feet, they are amazing jumpers and swimmers. Wow, what an incredible journey! From octopuses that change color to seahorse dads that carry babies, the animal kingdom is full of amazing surprises. Which animal fact was your favorite?